Oh my god.
Now we're gonna die. The real pain comes after.
It's gonna burn twice. One's going in, one's going out.
Thoughts? Would you do that again with me?
Never again.
Before we jump into the video, I have a very exciting announcement that I have 2 upcoming vegan trips in 2025 in both of my countries, and you are invited. So the first trip is right in my backyard in the Canadian Rockies in August. We're gonna be hiking and camping in one of the most beautiful places in the world. We're gonna stay in the iconic Banff National Park and visit beautiful sites like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, take the Banff gondola ride up Sulphur Mountain, and soak in the luxurious Kananaskis Nordic Spa, and of course so much more. And the second trip is a vegan tour in my home country of South Korea in October. We're going to be visiting 3 iconic cities, Seoul, Busan, and Gyeongju, and we'll stay overnight at a Buddhist temple, do a vegan kimchi making class, a yacht tour, visit UNESCO heritage sites, and of course eat tons of delicious vegan Korean food. Both trips will be linked in the description below, so check them out to see all the details and make sure you book now to secure your spot. There are limited spots available, so make sure you act fast, and see you in Canada or Korea, or hopefully both.
Hi guys!
Hey everyone.
It's Rose.
And Daniel.
And we're back with another mukbang.
Woohoo!
This counts as a mukbang,
It
right?
does, definitely.
Because we're gonna be eating, but we are doing the classic spicy noodle challenge.
Yes. So we have
Are you
done,
prepared?
I'm not. We have done this before.
We've done this before years ago.
But
do you remember, Daniel?
I do slightly remember, but I also remember that you said we did it wrong.
Well, I think it's because so first of all, the one that we did years ago, which by the way, you should watch it because it is, it's legendary.
Flashback.
We are doing the spicy noodle challenge times 2. OMG. How's it, Dan?
That's delicious. Oh my god.
I actually feel dizzy from this level of spice.
You're crying.
Seriously, I have to blow my nose.
You seem to enjoy the noodles.
It's like a slow burn.
End of flashback.
This time we're doing the 2 times spicy. It is probably deadly. And last time we left too much like water in.
Yeah.
So it was a bit too soupy, so it made it easier even though we both still died.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see how red this is, okay? So these are the samyang buldak noodles, which are the fire noodles. There's a Korean instant noodle brand.
Can you say that again? What are they called?
Samyang
Samyang.
buldak.
Buldak.
Yes. Yes, and these are actually vegan here in Canada.
Okay.
I don't think they're vegan in Korea.
Okay.
But they are vegan in Canada.
Yay.
Accidentally vegan.
Yep.
And so we're gonna do the spicy noodle challenge.
Let's-
And the challenge is whoever reaches for the soy milk first loses.
Okay. Well, I have a feeling it will be me, but you know, let's.
And
see
whoever
how it goes.
finishes first wins. But if you reach for the soy milk, then you lose.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Okay, you guys, check out our podcast. The SaVeg podcast. Are we gonna eat?
Let's just go.
Oh my god. I mean, it's tasty.
Oh, that's so tasty.
I'm already dying though.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Oh! What do you think, Daniel?
Ooh. It's got a kick.
Yes!
Oh god. Oh my god.
If you watch the first spicy noodle challenge, I did like a hiccup counter for Daniel, so I'm gonna have to do the same thing this time. You're sweating already.
I know.
Woo!
The thing is, they're really tasty.
They are. It's just too spicy.
It's just very hot. Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to eat this as fast as I can. You're not hiccuping as much as the first time though.
No. Oh my god.
I love when you hiccup. It's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Daniel, that soy milk is calling your name.
You know what, Rose? It's also calling yours. Oh my god! Fuck my life.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, you're almost done. How?
I'm eating it as fast as I can. So that means I can drink the... That means I win.
I don't know if I can finish this. Rose wins. Okay, I can have a second.
Now we're gonna die. The real pain comes after.
No, does it actually?
Do you not remember the last time? There's a clip of you being like, it's a slow burn! Woo!
Oh my god.
I'm so sweaty. Oh no.
I'm also like crying.
Woo!
I don't know if I can finish this.
You don't have to, you've lost already.
Yeah, okay,
It's a slow burn, it's a slow burn.
I'm gonna leave it, guys, because it's honestly,
We're almost done. It's so tasty though. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh, it continues to burn. Fuck.
We're gonna die. I need ice. I'll bring ice.
Oh my god, fuck. Oh my god. I can't get it out.
Drink more soy milk. Oh. The burn is real. Can you believe some people eat this like and enjoy it?
I'll be right back.
Where is that?
Where about my nose? I need to blow my nose.
Just give me a quick video.
Oh my god, Rose.
Your hiccups are gone though.
The ice cube helps a lot. The ice cube is like making it manageable now. Was it like going in my mouth? Well, I'm gonna say like I did in the last video. It's gonna burn twice. One's going in, one's going out. Guys, I'm not okay.
No, I'm not okay either.
I got voluntold to do this, by the way. Not by choice.
You did not object at all.
You know what the thing is?
They are tasty.
They're tasty, and as I were eating it, I'm like, oh, it's actually not as bad as I remember last time. And then the burn came.
Yeah, exactly. It's a slow burn.
But I don't understand why it doesn't go away.
It takes time.
Like even my lips feel on fire.
So we did drink some soy milk before we did this because remember last time the stomach hurt.
It hurt my stomach. This time it didn't hurt my
Yeah,
stomach.
it's actually I think the soy milk.
I gotta go blow my nose again.
Just bring some tissue.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh, my lips.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
I need another ice cube.
You don't want to finish the noodles, Daniel?
Yeah, I'm sure. Sorry.
Woo!
The ice cube is like making it manageable.
It is. It makes it helpful. There's only one left. What are we gonna do, Daniel?
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh my goodness. Don't try this at home, kids.
No.
You know, I heard isn't there even some more spicy than this?
Probably.
I wonder how they make it so spicy. Like, it just must be chili.
A lot of habaneros in maybe?
Do you remember the habanero spice? That's a lot.
Way too much.
But there's one there's a hotter one, ghost peppers or something.
Who needs filler when you can just have a...
Whoa, Rose, it looks like you've literally had lip injections. You literally look like this, Rose.
My lips feel tingly.
Yeah.
Wow! I don't need filler, guys. I just need spicy noodles.
Do my lips tingly?
Oh god, the burn. Okay, wait, rock, paper, scissors. Guys, look. Lip filler. So this is what I would look like with lip filler. It's kind of nice.
You're gonna get it.
Should I get lip filler?
Go. I keep seeing these things on TikTok where people like, they're talking about how like they were saying filler naturally like dissolves in the face over time. But you know how people get like pillow face and stuff? They're saying actually it doesn't, and that it like sits under your skin and stuff in some ways.
Like forever?
Not forever, but I don't exactly know, but they do like scans of people.
Wait, best out of 3 or just one?
One.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah! Oh, you still have one there.
I do still have one.
So filler is not good, hey?
No.
But it looks so nice. Look at this.
You know what you should get? You can get that like lip stuff you put on that swells your lips.
Doesn't do that much. Not as much as this. If you want some natural filler, eat some spicy food.
Oh my god. It's brutal.
How are you feeling now? A little better, right?
It's actually,
Oh,
it's not so bad now.
yeah.
It's
It's calmed down.
Yeah. Holy fuck, guys, that was intense. And I didn't even finish mine.
I know. You're gonna be hungry.
I'm gonna be hungry, but that's fine.
I'll feed you, Daniel.
Woohoo!
Am I crazy? I kind of want to eat this.
Go for it.
Hopefully your snot isn't in here.
Yeah, but I didn't blow my nose in it.
Yeah, but you know when you're like sometimes eating like...
That's true. We could have just dripped.
Oh god,
in
I'm
there.
scared. What am I thinking, Daniel?
Go for it. You don't like to see
I got
food
the ice.
wasted. You drop some on your dress.
I mean, I love the taste of it.
I know, you're crazy, Rose.
Woo! I remember that when I did the spicy challenge, I tried to eat 2 at once. Oh, I think I had like 1 bite left and I couldn't do it.
Yeah. Well, I ate most of this, so.
Tasty.
Yeah, it is tasty. The thing is, the flavor's good. It's just like way too spicy to be enjoyable for me at least.
I think to enjoy it, you have to add less of the sauce.
Yeah. But not the full packet.
Oh, the burn's gonna come. Why do I like the pain?
You're a glutton for punishment. Oh.
I just love spicy food. Why is it so good? Like, why is spicy food good?
Because it's just delicious. I think it's like something about the spice.
Yeah.
Like it, like I don't know. I like the tingly feeling
It's like
as
flavor.
well. Yeah. But also
like-
the flavor.
It's too much sometimes.
Like this is too much. Like I wouldn't. And the thing is, I like spicy food. But this is like.
Yeah.
It's
This
like
is too much.
It's like not it's not an enjoyable level of spice. I feel like
The thing with spice too is like, yeah, like you don't realize how spicy it is sometimes.
until after.
And it comes
this
later.
This is after. This is like while you're eating, I was like, oh, it's kind of spicy, and then after it's like, boom, your mouth is on fire. Like fuck.
Don't try this at home, children. Okay?
Definitely do not. It was not that enjoyable.
Although if you do want fillers. Let's see. Just be normal. They did swell up a bit. I feel
little
like
bit.
mine swelled up more though.
Yeah, I think maybe you got more on your lips than I did.
Maybe. Anyway, guys, there you go. There's
Yeah.
the spicy noodle challenge.
Ooh,
Thoughts? Would you do that again with
never
me?
again. That's the last time you're ever catching me, guys. I'm doing a spicy noodle challenge. The second and final. No more noodles.
No more spicy noodles? Okay, you heard it here, folks. Can't get Daniel to do it anymore.
Preach.
I win.
Rose wins.
Which, you know, it's not a surprise.
No. Not a surprise at all.
I am Korean, so it's in my blood.
Yeah.
I had an unfair advantage.
You did. Yeah. But I'm pretty good at tolerating spicy food.
You know what? You're not that bad.
Yeah.
You're not that bad. You got through most of it. You
I
did.
did get the hiccups though.
You did. It was hilarious.
Yeah. That's why I never eat spicy food on a date, guys. Because I mean, if it's but it
No,
has
but your hiccups have gone better.
it is, and it has to be really spicy for me to get hiccups now.
No, oh, now, see, before, you could eat just like it wasn't even that spicy for you, but you get
Yeah.
hiccups. But now, yeah, you definitely don't get hiccups as easily. When you were younger, it was so funny. Anytime you put anything spicy.
But I love spicy food, so it was
I
annoying.
know, but that's why it was funny. And you get so annoyed. I'm like, oh, I think it's cute.
It's frustrating, guys.
I think a date would find it cute.
Me being like,
Okay, not like that. God, that's like a creature. That enough. Yeah, if you do that, that might be an issue.
oh.
Lip is burning again. Why did I do this to myself? Guys, why did I do this to myself? Why did I eat more?
I think you wanted your lips to get fuller.
Yeah, I think so. Look at this. Oh yeah, they're back to being fuller. Guys, should I get lip filler? What do you think?
Do you have any more soy milk?
Yeah, there's plenty in there.
Well, I wouldn't say
I think.
plenty.
Oh, is there not enough?
No, there is. Like, there's
Okay.
a little bit, but.
Can I have some, please? Thank you. Or maybe I just like, instead of like eating spicy food, I just take the habanero pepper and just fucking rub it all over my lips.
Well, I think that's such a great idea. I think you should definitely do that. And please let me be here while you do it.
And then my lips will get so nice and juicy.
They would. But I wonder how long it lasts.
Probably not that long.
No. It's not like it's going to be.
Well, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Let's see. Guys, what time is it? It's 1:45. Looks nice.
It looks juicy as
I got
hell.
some juicy ass lips. All right, guys. So, can you do the outro, please?
Yes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Rose's channel, Cheap Lazy Vegan. If you're watching this video on YouTube, which you would be, hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Show Rose some love in the comment section down below. Check out her other videos on Cheap Lazy Vegan. Lots of recipe videos, lots of cool stuff. Also check out her website. She's got some ebooks and all sorts of great things for you guys
Plugging everything.
to look into. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yes.
Did you say that, Daniel?
I did, yes.
Make sure you check out our podcast.
Oh, yeah.
You missed out the most important thing. Check out our podcast. It's called the SaVeg Podcast. We do weekly episodes.
We do.
And we're about to record one right now.
We are. Rose
Maybe
will have
after
the
a little
full
bit of a
lips.
break.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if the full lips stay.
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah, check out our podcast.
Yep.
Links are below. Info below.
All right.
My lips are burning. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Later. Bye.